While the world may have been shocked at a doctor's brutal murder at Ajikar Hospital in Kolkata, certain facts need to be highlighted. Not only in regard to this crime, but every heinous crime in the world. Knowing these will help everyone be safe at home, in road, at workplace, or during travel. We are surrounded by myths, which only help the criminals. Politicians have an axe to grind, so they deliberately spread rumors and promote myths. People are flooding social media with doctor murder as if it is permissible to kill an engineer or an accountant or an army man. And they stress on female doctor, probably implying that a male doctor's security is unimportant. Be objective and pragmatic, not the meaningless sensationalizer. We need 100% security for every citizen, every man, every woman, every child. That's the only line we need. Fact 1. Every crime, especially murder, is always pre-planned. It is planned several months or even years in advance. Criminals have alternative plans if the original one fails. So, there need to be several alternative contingencies for approach, execution, escape and cover-up. And they cost money. Fact 2. Crimes are committed for huge stakes. No crime, especially a murder, is committed for a few thousands or lakhs. Crores or millions should be at stake. And criminals think that the money they invest in planning and executing a crime is very small in relation to what they hope to gain. Fact 3. A novel which I was reading says, people are killed for either what they did or will do, or for what they know or may know. So, some truth, damaging for the criminal, must be in possession of the victim. And share the knowledge or information or suspicion with family. Then your enemy will know that eliminating you isn't the end of the secret. And anybody trying to harm you would directly focus the accusation on him or her. It is important to share everything with your family and true friends. Fact 4. It is absolutely impossible for any person or group, if they are complete strangers or outsiders, to even harm you, unless someone close to you is their accomplice. We may remember, even Lord Rama could not have defeated Ravana without the insider Vibhishan. If God cannot do, what can human do? No, every crime is perpetrated with an insider aiding the enemy, a snake in the grass. Fact 5. It is quite inexplicable if a person who is very close to you, maybe your neighbor, co-worker, colleague, friend or even a family member, but someone very close to you is plotting against you for several months or even years to eliminate you. The issue involves crores of rupees for someone, and you are entirely unaware. So, alertness and awareness are the only weapons for safety and security. CCTV cameras do not save you, they help the police to catch the killers. But if you want to remain safe and unharmed, be acutely alert and aware of every person and situation close around you, and nobody will even dare to think of causing you harm. Fact 6. Do not let selfish political and vested interest pollute you or your cause. They only want cheap and ugly publicity. They spread rumors and fake news. Rumors are killers. Just don't spread them, and don't believe them. Avoid panic. Some politicians may even rejoice at death, because the death provides an issue or an excuse for petty political gains by creating a law and order situation. Vandalizing hospitals or damaging public properties are not going to ensure anyone's safety. I have seen processions where many of the participants are paid money, and they join even rival parties' rallies for earning a few rupees. And we all have seen 2,000 rupees being paid for fake FIR to defame someone ahead of elections, though it backfired. Do you expect a semi-literate chappal-waving clown or an anti-India slogan-supporting Red Party to be your friend? Never, never, never. So those were the essential safety tips. Teach your children never to panic, never to believe in rumor or hearsay, be frank in sharing everything with parents, to be always alert and aware, and report the slightest suspicion to their parents. And help control crime in your state and your country.